I will talk about the functionalities of my codes and how to use it. And then I will talk a little bit about the APIs. And first, we enter the root directory of the server, and we enter mix phx.server, and the server is on. Port is 4000. Then we enter the root directory of the client. We enter the mix script build to build the project. And then we enter /Twitter client 100 211. The 100 is the number of users that we want to simulate. And the last three parameters is used for zipf distribution. It is used for describe the user's behavior. And then before we hit the enter, we want to see that all of the data in the database has been cleaned, except for one tuple in the tweet table. It is used for retweet. And then we hit enter. You can see we have signed up all users and we have executed all user operations. And here we want to describe the user's behavior a little bit. The user behavior includes register and subscribe to a bunch of people and send number of tweet and retweet. And the number are all calculated using the zipf distribution. And we can see that the server's process has been done. And let's check into the table whether we have successfully inserted. Okay, we can see that in the user table we have a username as we have a number as the user's name, and the user's password we have used the SHA 512 to encrypt the password, so it is much more safer. So let's go check the other two tables because it will cost a lot of time. Then let's see other functionalities. Because the search functionality is not in the user's operation, so I have to modify some of the codes to show you the search functionality. Let's comment these two lines and uncomment these two lines to realize the check hashtag functionality. For example, we want to check all the tweets with the hashtag ZHOUYOU. And we want to make it fast by make it only look for once. Then we rebuild the project. We can see that the data that returned to the client side in the format of JSON. And you can see all the tweets here have the hashtag of ZHOUYOU. And then let's show the mentions functionality. It basically uses the @ symbol. It will check, for this example, it will check all the tweets that has mentioned this person, 10000014. Let's rebuild it. You can see that the result is successfully returned. And let's see the next function. It is the check tweets function. It basically checks all the tweets that the person himself and the person he subscribed to have sent it. Let's repeat. So this is basically all the tweets that is sent by himself, by this person himself, as well as the person that he subscribed to. So this is basically all the functions of my program, the search functions, the user simulated processes. And then let's talk a little bit about the WebSocket and the APIs. For WebSocket, you can see that it is a file in the client side. We have set the host, we have set the port, and a lot of other parameters. And we use these informations to connect to the server. And we join the channel in the server, so we can send messages through the WebSocket. And in the server side, we have we have the APIs, basically handles the incoming messages and replies the information that is needed by the client side. So for example, for this subscribe, if the incoming message is subscribe, so we will execute the subscribe function in the Twitter service, and then we will know whether it has success, and we will return this message to the client side. It is success or it has an error in the format JSON, and other functions are the same. And for the new tweet functionality, we can automatically detect the hashtags and the dimensions. So this is for the backend APIs. And for the SQL part, we have the Twitter service. So we basically look for information in the database. Then we want to talk about the bonus part. For the bonus part, our current solution is to use the JWT token, the JSON Web Token. It uses HS512 algorithm to generate the secret key, and it will sign this key to every message that is transmitted between the server side and the client side. So we also have this file to authenticate the login functionality. We have this file to decide whether the user is authenticated. We have this starting serializer. So this is basically the bonus part. So for the detailed information, please look at the README file in the file that we uploaded. Thank you.